Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, Bentley Blonde. So I'm really excited to have partnered with Fabfitfun today to share with you a few of their summer 2018 add-ons. And if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is an amazing seasonal subscription box, definitely my favorite. They always have full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products, and the box retails for $49.99, but the value is always over $200. And I have a $10 off coupon for you all, making the box only $39.99, so be sure to check out the $10 off coupon in the description box. So when you become a member, you gain access to exclusive add-ons, and I'm going to be sharing a few of these add-ons with you guys today. Now, add-ons are an exclusive members-only flash sale where you can get amazing products at amazing prices. Now these do tend to sell out quickly, so they are available today. If you see something you like, head right over and order. You can also get early access if you upgrade your annual subscription, so something else to keep in mind because these products really do go quickly. So let's dig right in. And these will ship with your box. So the first summer add-on is from My Tagalongs, and it is a set of their 3 travel bags. Really great if you're going to be taking any summer vacays. So there are 2 medium-sized bags. One has mesh, one does not, and then 1 extra large size bag. So really great way to get organized. You could put your toiletries in here. You could also put clothing in here if you wanted your lingerie and your bathing suit separate. This would be a great bag to put those in. So really awesome to help just organize your suitcase. I'm one of those people that's really bad about packing. Like when I get to my destination, I'll open my suitcase and it just looks like already a bomb went off. So these are definitely going to be really helpful to help me get organized for travel. So I'm totally digging the next summer add-on. Oh, the leather smells so amazing. It is from Tribe Alive, and it is a crossbody satchel. And you can see it's in this really beautiful supple black leather. Really cute little closure. It's just a hole over a button, which I really like. So easy access to all your goodies in here. And it actually is really a good sized bag. So perfect for going out for a night on the town. So let me show you guys how cute this is. And again, you have the little button closure here. So really easy to adjust the length on this crossbody satchel. Really cute. So I would say this Tribe Alive purse is a must-have. This is going to be so cute with shorts and like a black and white striped tank or even a sundress. I love it. So that's a really great summer add-on. Another option is from Zoe Ayla, and this is their revolutionary electronic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. And I actually have a makeup cleaner from Zoe Ayla, and I use it always to clean my brushes, and it is amazing. You guys, it's a total game changer. This is the perfect gift for the woman who has everything. You cannot ever get your makeup brushes clean enough, ladies. They harbor so much bacteria, so make sure that you have a really good system, and this one is foolproof. So the next couple of summer add-ons that I have to share with you guys are from Murad. I always love their products. They're great for sensitive skin. So this is the Murad Resurgence Hydrating Toner. This restores moisture balance and softens skin. So this is going to be really, really nice. Huge bottle of this hydrating toner. Looks really great. Alcohol-free replenishing mist with cucumber and grapeseed extracts. So you literally just spritz this toner on your face. Really convenient, great for summer. And also from Murad, this is their Age Reform AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser to reveal smoother, younger looking skin. Yes, perfect to slough off all of that dead winter skin and get your skin ready for summer. And it's also going to help fight wrinkles, so hello, you can't beat that. And again, huge tube. And I've read a lot about the benefits of alpha hydroxy acid, so I'm really, really excited to try that out. So the next summer add-on I use constantly. I actually had almost used up my last one, so I'm excited to have this one. My husband uses this, I use this, and our 2.5-year-old son absolutely loves this. This is from Sol Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Kiss Cupuaçu. I can never pronounce that. Lip butter. But this stuff is so amazing. I always love everything from this brand. So this is infused with Cupuaçu butter. I have no idea how you say that, but it is literally heaven for your lips. I love that it is in a big chunky applicator stick because especially for my 2.5-year-old, he just loves applying this. It's amazing. It's so moisturizing, you guys. It smells like coconut cream pie. Highly recommend this for the summer. Great to toss in your bag and go. Next add-on is from Tarte. This is their Tartist lip paint in the shade Namaste. Definitely looks like my kind of color. It's like a nudie pink. So this is the packaging. Full-size tube. And it's a really gorgeous nudie pink, and it literally went on so nice. I hope you guys can see that. It's kind of light, but you can see it does have a sheen to it, but it is a gorgeous pinky nude. So I love it. I love all of Tarte's products. So that's a perfect shade for summer. It's gonna look great with a tan. Another add-on option from the brand My Tagalongs. This is their charger and cord case for travel. And goodness knows I can use this because I always have so many chargers just wrapped up, and like I said, my suitcase is always a mess. So it'll be like, my charger will be like coming out of a shirt sleeve, like it's craziness. So this is gonna be really nice. So how cute is this? It has the little bronze chargers on it, adorable. And it has different pockets so that you can put quite a few chargers in there. It looks like probably at least 5. And then inside it also comes with a zippered earbud case. Really cool. So I absolutely love this. Another great travel option for the summer. Next add-on option is from Lms Skincare, another brand that I've tried and I really have enjoyed. So this is like a little 3-pack. And these are like travel size products, but for being travel size, you actually get a lot. The first product in this Lms 3-pack is their Frangipani Monoi body oil. This is hair, nail, and body oil. Moisturizes dry skin. Oh, thank God. I need this for my nails right now so bad. My hands are so dry from washing them like a crazy person. My husband has like case number 5 million of the man flu right now, so I'm like with my antibacterial gel. Also from Lms, this is their Frangipani Monoi shower cream. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but this is their shower cream and their luxurious body cream. And again, you get a lot of product in these. Like, they're very heavy. So really great if you need that hydration for the summer. The next summer add-on is from Diff Charitable Eyewear, which I've heard a lot about, but I've never tried their glasses, so I'm really excited. So they come in a super nice case. Fancy. You got your little cleaning cloth in there and everything. And ooh, really gorgeous pair of aviators. Nice gold frame. The lenses are polarized. Wow. Oh my gosh. So these block out a lot of light because my ring light just looks so dim right now. This makes me wonder if my current shades are like really not protecting my eyes, because these block a ton of light, which is awesome. So great for summer and for the beach. So I'm really excited about these. They're very comfortable on my face. They fit nice and snug, so they're not like rattling around or anything. And super chic and on trend. Love these for summer. You guys, you definitely have to add these to your summer box. I'm loving the next summer add-on. Oh, wow. This is fun. So this is from June and May. This is their wine accessories gift set. Everything you need to enjoy your favorite wine. Oh my gosh, and it's like an actual plastic wine bottle. And it opens and it has all of your wine accessories inside. How cute is that? For like a picnic or a girls' night. Here in Maryland, we have river concerts, and you basically go and you set up a lawn chair on the river and you listen to the orchestra, and everybody drinks wine and has little snackies. This would be perfect for that because it's so cute, keeps everything nice and organized. And it comes with your bottle opener, your foil cutter, wine stopper, aerator pourer, and a drip ring. Everything is nice and organized in there. Really cute. So perfect for your summer picnics. Love this as an add-on option if you are a wine lover like myself, and if you have toddlers, I'm assuming you probably are. Just a few more add-ons. The next one is from Body Pure. This is their Hand Pure hand mask, and this is for anti-aging and moisturizing. And I've actually tried Body Pure's hand masks and they are awesome. I love to put these on before I get in bed at night and I just lay there and just watch TV and let my hands just totally rejuvenate. It's amazing because my hands, again, are always really dry because I wash them like a crazy person. So hand masks, very important. Definitely recommend adding one of these to your box if you've never tried a hand mask. It's like steps above hand cream. It's really awesome. So love that. And also from Frangipani, this is their Tremolo Overnight Hydrating Mask. Gotta love a mask. So you apply this over your entire face and leave this on overnight. It's gonna moisturize, tighten, and rejuvenate. Yes, girl. I'm all about that. And this is a huge bottle, so this should last a while. This is an Asian product, which I always love Asian skincare. Ooh, smells really fresh and nice. Has your little applicator here in the top. And really cool that it's overnight. You don't see overnight masks very much, so it's really gonna have time to get in there and hydrate your skin, which I love. Summer add-on that I have to share with you guys is this Green Goo 100% all natural first aid homeopathic. I'm guessing it's a balm. And this literally relieves symptoms of a million things. Dry, cracked hands, feet, insect bites, scrapes, rashes, chafing, cuts, sunburns, and poison ivy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so allergic to poison ivy. It's not even funny, and it's so bad here in Maryland in the summertime. So this is gonna be awesome. So yes, as I suspected, it's a balm. This has a bunch of natural active ingredients in it. Calendula, chickweed, plantain, sage, St. John's wort, really nice. Oh, a very light smell. I was expecting it to be really strong. I really like that. And it comes in this tin. Obviously, this is a big tin, so this is gonna last you forever. So really great, especially if you have little ones and you wanna apply something natural to their itchy bites, rashes, things like that. This First Aid Green Goo is a really good option. So guys, those are all of these summer 2018 Fabfitfun add-ons that I had to share with you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Let me know if you're going to be adding any of these add-ons to your summer box. I love everything, so I'm really interested to see what you guys are going to be adding on. Again, I have a $10 off coupon code for your summer box in the description box, and I will see you all next time. Bye.